Hello, in this video I will show you how to check the e-warranty card status on TECNO Phone. So let's start by using the list of all applications. Here let's scroll down, choose Settings. Here let's choose the first option, My Phone. As you can see, here you've got a few information about your device, but if you scroll down, you will see the e-warranty card. Let's tap it. And as you can see, here you can check the status of your e-warranty card. In my case, e-warranty card for the phone has been activated. So this is like the equivalent to a paper warranty card. An e-warranty card can also guarantee your warranty services at customer service center without carrying a paper warranty card. So basically, if you've got this warranty card here, you can go to the TECNO center and use your warranty if you need. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.